Apply the baking soda and powdered sugar mixed directly along ant trails and entry points where ants move or congregate. For effective indoor control, use a ratio of 2 parts baking soda to 1 part powdered sugar and keep the powder dry so it flows into cracks. Lightly dust a thin line of the mixture along baseboards, under appliances, and inside cabinet corners where you see ants traveling. Focus on thresholds and windowsills where exterior to interior traffic begins, and place a small pile near any visible nest openings if you can locate them without disturbing the nest. In kitchens, apply along the seam where the floor meets the wall and behind the refrigerator and stove where crumbs collect and ants forage. Reapply after sweeping, mopping, or any disturbance and after heavy foot traffic because the bait loses effectiveness when dispersed. For safety, avoid placing the dust on food preparation surfaces and keep it out of reach of children and pets by using narrow cardboard or paper channels to confine the powder in targeted lines. Common mistakes include over-applying so the powder becomes a pile that ants avoid, not reapplying after cleaning, which lets new foraging trails bypass the bait, and placing the mix directly on food surfaces, which creates contamination risks. If you over-apply, gently thin the dust into a narrow trail so ants will cross it and carry it back to the colony. If you skip reapplication after cleaning, inspect high-traffic areas daily for new trails and renew the thin lines as needed. If placement risks contaminating food, move the bait to the adjacent baseboard or under a cabinet lip where ants still travel but food stays protected. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors related to pest control and home repair and helps contractors find jobs in our area. We also host a discussion community on the site where we and other members share tips, experiences, and practical placement advice for remedies like baking soda and powdered sugar.